guys, welcome back to MK Sportscars. Well, have you ever wondered what it's like to have a Cup 200 car around the track? Well, we're going to give you a nice little snippet into a Donington track day. Take a good old gander at how fast these cars around the track and how much fun people are having. And if you want to get onto one of the next events coming up, hook us up, phone call, email at MK Sportscars, and we'd love to see you at the next track day. Well, get your cup of tea on, get your beer on, get your wine or your favourite tipple on, enjoy. Right, that's Mr. Richard Webb, number 88, showing you how these wonderful little Cup 200 cars go around the track. And trust me, on the video you think, oh, it doesn't look that fast. Well, it is when you're strapped in that hot seat, I assure you, when you're really buckled up tight and you can feel the braking, the G-forces, everything that these cars do. Getting into the 1 minute 15s on a single lap, on a hot lap with Rich driving on his own, passengers slow these cars down. They're probably 4 or 5 seconds a lap actually, at least. So, but yeah, if you want to know more about the Cup 200 range, you want to know more about our upcoming track days and events that we've got booked in, then hook us up, phone call, email here at MK Sportscars. Ask for Neil or ask for Stephen in the sales team in there, and they'll be able to get you booked in. Failing that, if you're thinking, I just want us a date, test drive on the road, we can also accommodate that for you as well. You know what to do. Pick up the phone, give us a shout. That's it, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I will catch you next time.